Hey folks, I hope I am audible. So, in this live stream, we will be alright. In this live stream, we will be trying to solve the Trivy lab from kodekloud, which might be helpful for a lot of folks who are preparing for CKS exam certification. So I am also not that great in this particular task. I don't need this tutorial. Do we prefer a dark screen or a light screen? I would say a light screen because a lot of people would be watching it at night. So install the Trivy vulnerability scanner on control plane host. So we are in control plane, so we also want the Trivy git repo. Hold on, just give me 1 second. Let me modify the screen sharing thing. I hope it's visible. So I have also started up the solutions if I get stuck to understand, which I feel is is it working, the live stream? Yeah, hopefully it's working. Yeah, so install the Trivy. We can also get hints from here. Yeah. Oh, so that's fine. Install the Trivy vulnerability scanner on control plane host. So how do we install it? All right. So you're in Debian. Hopefully it should be installed. Yep. Which of the following commands can be used to scan containers using Trivy? think Trivy scanner would be scanning, I guess. All right. Okay, it's Trivy image. Perfect. Can you scan table archives using Trivy? Um, Tarball, yeah, I think this is tarball, right? Tar, yeah, I think yes. Which of the following artifacts cannot be scanned by Trivy for security vulnerabilities? I'm assuming okay, yeah, I think networks, yeah, networks. Which version of Trivy have you installed? Okay, so that's straightforward. Okay, so right now, since our version is 0.59, so 59, I'm not sure how the naming convention works here. I mean the versioning works here. So 0.59, but we do have this option. So from version 0.8.0 and New York, so this is older than that. So how about I try Trivy image nginx. Anyway, let's don't do that right now. Pull image on control plane host and scan the same using okay. First we need to pull this and okay. What the? Why it's asking for username and password? Okay, maybe there's something wrong here. Go for hint. Okay, output I know, but how do I pull it? There is some issue. Public ECR Docker library Python ECR dot. Let me just Google it up. So I think there's something wrong with the authorization permission within this thing, and it might not be possible to complete this task. I mean this particular question. So let us try and see the documentation. This is question number 7, I assume. Okay, my bad. I should not do wget. I should have pulled it using Docker. Oh, that's my fault. I agree. Okay. Kubernetes is working, but on the control plane host. Yeah, so we are in there. Why Docker is not working? Docker is not working here. Do we have to install Docker? I mean, how Kubernetes is working without Docker being working? All right. Maybe I'll just try this. Okay. Just trying to install Docker. Awesome, it worked. Docker pull. So this is an image, I assume. Yeah, it's an image. I think it will take some time for how do I start it? This is not happening. Okay, yeah. That might have done the work. Sorry. Perfect. That's done. Sometimes to achieve a simple thing you have to go a lot. You have to go here and there. Okay, how about okay, that's done. Docker. Okay, this is done. And scan the same using Trivy, and the output we know from the hint, or we can also take help. How do we save it? Well, I know how to save it, but server, auto completion, config, scan. I know scan. How do we scan it? So in the hint, I remember we had the output command, but why the output is not shown in the flag? Okay, we do have output mode being shown here, but not here. That's strange. Either ways, uh, I am hoping this should work. Let's try for the answer. Okay, this is being done. Let's try if this works. It did work. I am hoping it works. We'll just go and okay, it's downloading 1 DB. 1 DB stores a lot of vulnerability information is what I assume. I mean, I know I have used it previously. Let's just okay, bunch of information. That is, it did work. What? I'm not sure what we are doing wrong here. Okay. Maybe they will. Let's just try like this. This is crazy though. No such image. Yeah. So what we did is like correct. But why the Docker image is pulled on control plane? We did pull it, right? So like they did the Docker pull whatever, and how do I see it about? You have reached the pull limit. Okay, anyway, I'll skip this. I don't think so. That's a fault of Trivy, or what we did is incorrect. We have a Docker image on control plane host. Why it's not being displayed? Bullseye. Or maybe is it because I have to SSH? But we are already inside that. No, I don't think so. I mean, we are in the control plane host. There is no bullseye being shown here. Use the severity option. That I'm fine with that. Trivy H, and we might have. So one thing I am wondering is why Trivy does not show a lot of flags, like for example severity. Before that, the output it's not displayed here, which is not quite good in my opinion. So do we have to always go and search for things here? Yeah, this is really strange. I'm honestly not impressed with this. Okay, we are being shown this option here. The Trivy documentation is, to be very honest, shit, bullshit. Just like bullseye, it's bullshit. Yeah, it's really bullshit. See, Trivy image or whatever, in the answer how they have given is Python 3.1 or whatever, and here they have put bullseye 3 point, what is here, 3.10. It's fine, the Docker image. So here it's 3.1.2, and here they are mentioning something else. kodekloud is also like, I'm not liking this at all. But either ways, let's just use the image ID and filter out Trivy. We'll output it to severity. Will set it to high. What if I put in small case? Will it work? All right. It's crazy though. The documentation, I'm unable to see the documentation, all that severity, all that. See, so Trivy help does not show us severity, all that. Probably after this video I would try to create a issue in Trivy saying I'm unable to see severity, and then prior to that, what was it, output, all that here in the help section. So what is the use exactly for the help if it's not showing all that stuff? See, I am unable to find severity here. That's really weird. Either ways, let's just try this like this. So whatever, it should have written some stuff. We'll just check it and yeah, but this question is not that great. I mean, what they gave and what they asked is not in JSON format. version format. Yeah, this might be okay. So this is the alpine.tar file. How are we gonna take it as an stdin? Scan a local file system. Yeah, so I'm honestly pretty unimpressed with Trivy, especially the documentation aspect, because some of the things have been not been shown here. Or is it because of the versioning issue? I'm not sure. Either ways, it would have written here. I'm not trying to, I would not verify it yet. Let me just take some screenshots of my issue here. Trivy version, this is 0.59.1. Current Trivy version, what is current Trivy? Oh, it's the latest version. Trivy help does not have severity nor, I'll just keep it in my notes, and I'd have to probably create an issue on the official repo. 0.59.1. Just allow me to take a note here. Alright folks, let us try to check it. I mean, it's already done though. If I cat open this, you can see whatever the scan results were. The correct image, not sure why the results schema created. I'm not able to find the results though. Anyway, I guess that's it. We have solved this lab, and as a to do thing, I might create an issue in the official, I mean the repository, GitHub repository, and try to find answers for my doubt here. So that's it guys. I'll see you guys probably in a future